स्केड्यूल क्यों कर रही है? हम्म। हम्म। So basically, for the context for the people in the stream, we are figuring out how to generate what technique to use what technique to use to generate a sample prompt so we can get the desirable output. Hmm. Uh, so the new thing we have also decided to do is to um, make a market more smaller and decide on a specific niche. So currently, the niche we have decided is is entrepreneurs or people who are starting their own startups, and so basically we're going to be generating plans for their startup projects. So we have niche down in our project and who to. The possible generate a plan, we first have to decide how to get the prompt first. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Uh, Tell me what to write in the prompt. Hmm. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm trying to make a project plan for a specific problem. The details for the plan are by in the input section section below. क्या है यार? Now I'll provide you the structure for the plan. Uh, I want to generate. What is the main focus of your project plan? I want to satisfy all the requirements. Hmm. Goals to make a proper problem the pay of finding design and stressful. All sub goal to complete the project we need to achieve. Prerequisite development designing will be crucial. Hitting a high, consider a hiring start date. Let's start. Eh, खुद से कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा है. Task learn next days learn this full plan timeline estimation development launch. Okay. Hmm. The structure is being followed, but all the suggestions I've written, like list out all the requirements, it is not generating. How many hours per week you need to dedicate? Mm, 30 hours. Goals, problem, deliverables, features, goals, user acquisition, user satisfaction, prerequisite, development, designing, product testing, weekly plan, estimated cost, front-end development, self-learning, implementation, core feature, developing additional total front-end and deploy development cost, designing template, product testing, automated product costs. So this time it's pretty good. I think it's fine. To build, I think we need to refine the plan structure more. It is not understanding. It is not giving any specific detail that I wanted it to give. But I think if we refine the plan structure more and provide proper prompts to it, I think it can generate plan like this. And we specify the plans are going to be for business only and entrepreneurs only. I think the response should be way better than what it has done here. To build a poster making application that allows to people to generate the pay and time required for designing an individual posters for each employee is high and leading to stress. Deliverables to complete this project, we need to achieve the following key features. All of the key features: post employee poster generation, provide a feature that allows employees to generate and download their own customization poster, organization, admin, poster management, poster customization, user acquisition or user satisfaction, prerequisite development, React.js and Next.js. You should focus, like I stated in my template, it should provide more ideas and suggestions for completing the prerequisite. I think I have to uh, refine the plan structure more. Designing, product testing, internal and testing, external to reach out to your network and find additional beta testers. Learning React, dedicate 20 hours, build a basic application. Your co-founder will 10 hours for creating 5 unique and 4 customized product template. Spend 20 hours per week learning Next and building a server. So it is giving me around 8 hours to learn React and designing skills, and 3 weeks I didn't give it. So the project should be completed in starting on June and completing on May 10. So okay. Implement poster organization, creating authentication, develop poster generation, generate the cool features of the downloading custom posters, completing on poster organization, develop admin panel, implement customization features, your support system. I think it's pretty good with the prompt I provided it. Hmm. So all the sub goals make it. See, features, suggest features. Suggest. Yeah. You okay, let's you should make a separate column, a separate heading for suggesting any more additional features. Yes, should we suggest features when we are making a plan, or should we suggest them while we're taking the input?
What?
Should we suggest all the new features that the person should include in the plan itself, or should we ask in the input first that I am suggesting these changes? Do you want to include them in the plan or not?
No, you should ask first. Before generating.
So let's say, let's assume we have suggested more, four more features, four more features. So I think it would be a good user experience to prompt something when we are generating the final output. Think asking for any input should be in the phase one of you know when we are asking all the questions related to their stuff. So let's assume we have four meters, so put them in a separate heading and put them in a separating heading. Okay. So these are these are just basic one liner explanation of the features. You have to give more details about the features, like the task they are accomplishing, like the task they are what else do we need in the details of these features, or specifying the deliverables. I'm writing the no I, what I'm thinking is I'm writing all the things that the AI need to add in in 2 stars, so it can understand the prompt for it, not a plain temp. So what do we need to write more? What else do we need? What else detail do we need for the features? No, I'll be removing them. I'm converting these point into prompts. What else? What more detail do we need in the in specifying all the deliverables? Suggest me some. Okay. We have specified all the details for the deliverables. We have separated the suggested features and the features they have requested. We are also going to uh, 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 clearly clear clearly state clearly state the, the features that are not included in the project plan for now, but can be included once we have accomplished making an MVP for the project. These these should be put into a different subheading named. This should be put into a different subheading named features. Features improvement in the suggest improve improvements for future. Okay, this should be put into a different subheading. You need to suggest some features in this subheading. So specifying the goals are pretty clear now. I think it should work. Okay, let's assume. Okay, so now we have explained some main features, some suggested features, all of the suggested goals. Right, let's write this. Suggest some more goals that the user should accomplish. No, we are suggesting the goals and features in the above heading, so it's not necessary. So let's make it here, right? Goals related to market, product testing, suggested features, prerequisites. So now let's move on to the prerequisite of the project. So now based on the features and sub features we have stated and the input we have gathered about the knowledge and the budget of the user, provide prerequisites to start the project. These prerequisites can be learning something, hiring someone, getting some data to start, or or buying something. Put all the prerequisite put all the prerequisite into subheadings related to their segment. Here are the here are some few examples of of prerequisites. So these would be the example, and it is going to list out all the prerequisite after that. So now comes the planning. We have suggested the budget. We have suggested the timeline. We can provide something like a flowchart that go what we are going to do first. So for this, what we are going to do is mm, make a flowchart. I think it will provide the steps and condition. Okay, it can make a flowchart, so it's not a problem. Now, focusing on the timeline, you have to give a brief timeline of for all the major segments of the project and put them in a flow chart specifying all the details and all the details all the details like start date, end date, prerequisites, requisites, requisites, and main task and priority, main tasks and priority. Prior. Hmm, okay, so this is no. Okay, this is the new planning structure. All the lines after are your instructions that you need to follow to fill out the plan structure. There is no need to strictly follow the structure. You can manipulate the headings and or ads or slash remove something according to the needs. Outline your instructions fill out the according to the needs. However, all the necessary details must be included. Oh, fuck. So, to make a poster making application, the features, project organization, goals, authentication, contacting support, features, improvement for the future, collaborative poster creation, it is a good suggestion. Poster analytics, poster sharing, poster template, prerequisites, development, learning next year, designing, product training. So now it is still not following what I stated in the prerequisites. So I filled it out. Oh, I wasn't using the pro version too. What is the prompt? Where is the prompt? अरे यार, this is the prompt. Go with the pro version. Okay. What is the current user knowledge? I know React, JS, and Figma in designing. Where did the prompt start? What are the main tasks or features you want to focus? Post downloading and making. Okay. So to build a poster, features, employee poster generation, poster organization, admin poster management, authentication, support system, goals, suggested features to improve for the future, poster analytics, prerequisite, development, designing, poster, product testing is in JavaScript. You should focus on learning React and Next.js. These frameworks will provide necessary tools, hiring a developer. Hmm. This is the output now. I think it's pretty good for what we have written for now. Mm-hmm. Mm. We can do. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. So so part, the prerequisites are part two, part two, the planning part. Mm-hmm. Right. So for the timeline and tasks, hmm, how can we break planning into several tasks? Hmm. Hmm. We should be generating, we should be specifying the budget and timeline for the user first. So we haven't figured out the timeline yet. So this should be part three. Part three, get the timeline. Part three, get the timeline. Part four, specify all the tasks. Specify all the tasks in detail. And then part five, make a full weekly plan specifying each and every task in detail with a deadline and etc. Okay, and part six was be just stating the estimations. Estimations. Okay, these should be good. Hmm. case, one is pretty good with the stuff I provided it with. I think it's fine. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, that should be it for this stream, I think.